Hi, NTT Data. My name is Juan Carlos Bellido. I'm 31 years old. I'm a mechanical engineer. Today, I'm going to present you my business. So, this is the logo. Persist is the name. It's a business focusing on pricing. So what's the problem that I want to try to solve? No? So I used to work 7 years in Honda del Peru, managing a spare part division. No? I was in charge of terms of sales. No? And how these importers put their prices over the spare parts. No? They use the FOB generally and multiply by a GP factor, right? So and they're doing this because there's a lineup very extensive of products when we talk about spare parts for a car, right? So this is the most easiest way to guarantee a gross profit for each product. No? But the problem with this is that the market have opportunities. No? In this example, we are the SRP is below the market, no? And with cars, no, when they get older, no, in time, the FOB increases, no. So doing this pricing by these ways does not guarantee that we take advantage of all the opportunities in terms of margin. No? With the cost increasing, we can lose some business opportunities, right? So this is the first part of the problem. The second part of the problem is when the SRP is over the market. No? So, and in the initial scenario, maybe a customer does not have another opportunity or another alternative because the car is new, right, and there's not a competitors with the parts. But when the time passed, the customers, if they see and detect that the price is too high, the retention could go down, right, very fast, no. So this is the other part of the problem. No? So what is the solution that I propose? No? I quit my job in December last year, and this year I was working in this algorithm, which is based on all the knowledge I have for the industry, right? What the algorithm does is to guarantee that I move the prices of the SRP for the parts between limits, right? And these limits are determined by 6 factors. The 6 factors are cost, of course, market reference, which is yellow line, also stock, demand, of course, and brand value also. No? And this is very important because what we do is translate the brand value of the car, the ticket of the car, to the spare part. No? Which means if you have a higher ticket car, your spare parts should have a higher ticket comparison to the competitors, in comparison with the competitors, right? So this in time guarantees that we obtain the highest value for the SRP we put in our spare parts. So the value proposal, we are developing a software which shows the current position of the pricing of our spare parts comparing to the competitors. In this case scenario, we have 6 models, no? And we're comparing to 2 main competitors, no? And the average of markets. And also we can check the relationship between the spare part pricing of our models. No? We show here the changes in terms of pricing. And finally, the new proposal, no, in terms of pricing of our spare parts. Based on these modifications, the software should show the variation between the current position, the current situation, and the proposal situation with the new SRP position. No? And as you can see, maybe it doesn't mean that we increases the prices in every models. No, in this scenario, we are increasing these 3 models, we're decreasing in these 2 models, and increasing in this one. But the main idea is the total mix of the products modifications in terms of prices should increase the value of the business. No, in 2 ways: in terms of sales, this example is 6%, and in terms of gross profit is 8%. No, so That's the idea. I want to end my presentation showing this slide, which is pricing management is the most effective tool to increase profit. This is not from me. This is from McKinsey and Company. And 1% improve in price, increase operative profit till 11%, no? Which is higher than focusing on volume or cost. No? So pricing management is a very powerful tool, and I believe it's not very does not have the importance that it should have, at least in my country, right? So that's it. I want to thank you for hearing me. I'm working with a partner, which is Edwin Purisaka, and he is in charge of designing the software. No? And in this year, we sell these three initial projects. We are working with Honda for motorcycle business line, and also for Hyundai and Mahindra, no, for the spare part business of them. So we have some experience, but we believe we need some resources because the market is very huge, and the customers, I believe the customers are in different countries, no. So it's a very good opportunity if you decide to working together. No? So thank you very much for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.